Okay, so better for cross-instrument logic, piano keys ascend left to right. So when you're on a piano, also, notice that a lot of music theory is built on the concept of the piano. Even many people that teach guitar, they can't resist going back to the piano. I'm even doing it sometimes, and I never played the piano, right? So but it's obviously listed out left to right. That's one of the beautiful things about the piano is it's all on one string. We can see it from left to right, and it reads easily. So if we flip the guitar string orientation to match ascending pitch from bottom to top, we force a cognitive mismatch. So again, a lot of people kind of visualize the piano as their starting point for looking at music theory because it gives you like the pattern of the whole house and the C major. I'm not sure that's the best thing to do, and particular for the guitar, because it does lead to kind of things like the C major is the most important notes, even though they're somewhat arbitrarily picked and whatnot. And on the guitar, all the notes are kind of the same because we don't have any differences between the shapes and sizes of the keys and whatnot. But you still have that. Now, just remember, again, on the piano, you don't have the situation like on a guitar. You would imagine someone's going to sit across from you. That's just the natural thing to do, to watch you play the guitar as easy as possible. On a piano, you cannot sit on the opposite side of the piano and watch them play the piano because it's like having an elephant between you and the player of the piano. That being the piano is the elephant. You have to sit on the same side. And that means that you don't have this rotation of the piano keys problem. You do have a problem of not, the person's in the way of seeing the keys, right? It's a presentation problem in general just for presenting because you can't see the piano player and you can't really align them to either their back is to the crowd or the piano's to the crowd, right? But when you do a video, it actually works out better in some ways because you're actually looking over their shoulder as they see the instrument, which is not the case in the way most people look at the guitar because we're looking at the guitar like over the top of the guitar. There's no camera angle that really picks that up properly,